Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 9 and we are here to present you guys our work about Arbeit. But I also have companies. I'm here colleagues Faranisa Ajahra, Cynthia Novian Saputri, Sabita Oktaviana, and me, Sugeng Dewi Wira Utama. For the first point, we will tell you about was in the Deutschen von Beruf, and it will be presented by me. Fact of the level of welfare countries in the world. The Legatum Institute is a London-based think tank with a global vision to see all people lifted out of poverty. Mission to create the pathways from poverty to prosperity by fostering open economies, inclusive society, and empowered people. Here's the words that prosperity, its value comes from a variety of fields including economies. German has the exposition. Except of the field of German, safety and security rank 21, personal freedom rank 13, governance rank 9, social capital rank 13, investment environment rank 15, enterprise condition rank 4, market access and infrastructure rank 11, economic quality rank 5, living condition rank 5, health rank 12, education rank 21, and natural environment rank 1. Indonesia occupied its 16th position. Not on methodology, this year the Prosperity Index has been revised and improved following a year-long methodological review to make it much more policy-focused. This means that the score and ranking have changed from what they've reported in previous edition of the Prosperity Index. The next point will be presented by Faranisa Ajahra.
Profession in Germany. This is 10 of the most common occupations of the German people. First is bureau or office. Especially many people in Germany work in the field of corporate management and business organization. According to statistics from the Federal Employment Agency, there are 5.21 million and 2.93 million work as office and secretarial staff. Second is Verkauf or sell. The sales professions come in second place. About 2.98 million people are employed in this area, most of them 1.83 million, excluding product specialization. Third, Gesundheit or health. Almost 2.88 million people work in the medical health professions in Germany. Most of them, they work in health care and nursing, as obstetricians or in the rescue service, is 1.2 million employees. Fifth is Verkehr und Logistik or transport and logistics. 2.76 million people are employed in Germany in the transport and logistics sector, to which the Federal Agency's statistics do not include vehicle drivers. They mainly work in the warehousing, mail, delivery, and cargo handling sectors. In fifth place is education, social and domestic professions, and theology with almost 2.4 million employees, most of them in the field of education. Social work or remedial care is 1.68 million people. Sixth is Reinigung or cleaning. Around 2.1 million employees in Germany have a cleaning profession, most of them 1.68 million people without specialization. 7 is Maschinen- und Fahrzeugtechnik or machine and vehicle technology. Machine and vehicle technology occupation with 1.99 million employees are in the seventh place. Most of them, 1.43 million, work in the field of mechanical engineering and industrial engineering. 8 is Gastgewerbe or hospitality. Tourism, hotel, and catering trades have attracted 1.74 million workers. Most of them work in the catering industry is 1.32 million, including as bartenders or as employees in catering services. 9 is fahrer or driver. According to the Federal Employment Agency, 1.53 million people work as drivers of vehicle and transport equipment, and 1.31 million of them, and thus the majority, work as so-called vehicle drivers in road traffic. And the last is Finanzen or finances. Financial services, accounting, and tax advice landed in 10th place. The sector has 1.47 million employees, most of whom are responsible for insurance and financial services is 740,000 people. And for the next will be explained by Sabita.
Next are the 10 professions with highest income in Germany. These are the top 10 non-academic professions in Germany. I'll mention the top 3 professions for non-academics. They are regional sales manager with 73,053 euros, Parma speaker with 68,558 euros, SAP consultant is 64,909 euros. For the next professions, you can see on the screen and you can also see the income in rupiahs. Then, there are the top 10 professions for academics. I'll also mention the top 3 professions for academics, and then the next professions you can see on the screen and you can also see the income in rupiahs. The professions are senior physician with 117,545 euros. Fund manager is 86,434 euros. And the last is account manager with 81,104 euros. Surely, we need a house, food and drink, and then clothes for the necessities of life. This is a simple requirement every month in Germany. There are statistics which are described as follows. First one is fixed cost for living with 513 euros 50 cents. Expenditures for groceries is 171 euros. Expenses for cars and public transport 167 euros 50 cents. Leisure expenses is 160 euros. Other expenses is 103 euros 50 cents. Expenditures for going to restaurants and cafes is 71 euros. And the last is purchase of clothes and shoes with 54 euros. In total, this makes around 1,240 euros, which should be available on average every month. For more comfortable conditions, we need around 2,000 euros per month, meaning we need around 24,000 euros per year. For a family of 4 people, need 2,040 euros a month to live. meaning the average income for them is around 40,000 euros net per year. Because Germany is known for its high taxes, so the gross income is roughly around 62,500 euros. The next is teacher income in Germany. The starting salary of a teacher in Germany is 3,487 euros 17 cents until 3,929 euros 17 cents gross per month, which the net salary is around 2,800 euros. This means a new teacher in Germany can save about 800 cents per month. However, you are paid differently by state, which is why you should think about where you want to teach beforehand. Apart from the state, the amount of the salary also depends on the type of school, civil servants, professional experience, and marital status. Primary school teachers have less salaries than middle school teachers because primary school teachers are a group of class 8-12 and middle school teachers are a group of class 8-13. Except in Berlin, primary and secondary school teachers are paid the same, but with increasing professional experience after 20 years of work, their salary will increase until 1,000 euros or more. This is a table of income for German states. There are states group 8-12 and group 8-13. And the next point will be explained by Cynthia.
Unemployment in Germany. You can see the annual average unemployment rate in Germany from 2004 to 2020 in the table. As you can see in the table, unemployment rate in 2020 has been increased 0.9% in Germany. It happens because during this pandemic, many companies have to fire some of the employees to save company expenses. What the government do? The German federal government offers unemployment benefits or Arbeitslosengeld to anyone without work. There are two types of unemployment benefits. It's unemployment benefit 1 and unemployment benefit 2. Which one you receive, it depends on whether you have made contribution to statutory unemployment insurance and how long you have been unemployed for. Unemployment during pandemic in Germany. As far as we know, German people no need to worry about their job because during this pandemic that is causing high level of stress and anxiety, workers keep getting paycheck from their company. The German name for this is Kurzarbeit or short-time work, and typical pay is 60% of workers' wages. The hope is that as the economy improves, companies can quickly bring those workers back to office or factory. So that's it from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.